start with unboxing now. Let's start with the box. So okay, it's well packed and it's looking good enough. That was a bill, so it's okay. Now let's cut it. See where it comes packing. Same with finally it's now we can see the box.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing.
Okay, so these are the things we have got with it. Let's count its weight. Okay, so what weight is it? The lead bars are pretty big, as you can see. This might be of 5 kg, I guess, or 2 kg. Okay, these are of 2 kgs. So here the rods are. This is curl rod. Okay, it's pretty good. They have packed also very good. And let's open this one. Okay, we have to tone it everything like. Other things we have got. Okay, so we have got these 2 gloves while you are working out, and let's see, these are wristbands, and okay, this is dumbbell rod. Okay, so this is for forearms. We have got some locks for these 2 rods, and this is keeping. So the unboxing has been done, and you can see the box is empty, and we have got such things like, and that they are great. So they are very well packed. Okay, we get this all things with us. So that's it in the unboxing. Please comment, like and subscribe to our channel. That's it. Bye.